K92 is I cannot see in Sis Blue. May and May and K92 are fine. Blue Shy moderators with K92. They are jealous little boys. Ah, okay. I already subscribed pala Black Hole. I already subscribe your channel. K9 to be enjoy channel now. Ah, okay. Maybe have something with him. Blue Shy let her moderators act like babies and bullying. That's why her viewer go down sometimes. Maybe sometimes it's normal. It's normal to sometimes have good viewers and sometimes not good. Like my channel. Sometimes no viewers. Sometimes I have a lot of viewers. Don't be enemies. Black, okay? I know you argue over silly things. Yeah. But you is good man, Black, okay? I see what I want to say next one, especially if it is the truth. It's all good. I don't have enemies. Yeah, that's good, Black Hole. Okay, Black, very good. Okay. I already subscribed before, Black Hole. Before. That's for subscribing. I just upload a new shirt. Yeah, I leave a comment. Oh no, late na naman yung comments ko dito.